Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm just going to be talking about this Dove Exfoliating Body Polish I use. It's the moderate exfoliation level. This is Dove Exfoliating Body Scrub. It's a body wash that exfoliates your skin. And this one is pomegranate seeds and shea butter. It smells really good, and as you can see, there's like little again, it's an exfoliator, so it kind of goes on like lotion, and then it has little, like, you can feel the pomegranate seeds grains and things like that. And I usually like to use it before I put on soap, like body soap, because I think it really like helps your skin have better texture. And like, also I usually shave my arms and my legs, and I think like it prevents any ingrown hairs. You know, it really exfoliates all of the hairs out. This way, like, you get a cleaner shave. I also am in the process of doing laser on like my underarms and like and my legs as well. And so for laser, it's really important that you continuously exfoliate to like really remove any dead skin cells, and then also like the dead hair follicles, like you really want to get them out. So I really wanted to make sure that I got a good exfoliator. So this product specifically has a very calming scent. So yeah, it's like very like light and lotiony, but I would say it's a little rosy almost, if anything. And then it's a plant-based cleanser. So like I said, it's pomegranate seeds and shea butter. There's no sulfate in it, and the bottle itself is 100% recyclable, which I also like. And like I said, the body polishing exfoliator buffs away the dense skin cells, and then it's also enriched with like a lot of cream. So after, you know, you're done exfoliating and you wash it off, your skin will feel very smooth as well. And like I said, it's not like a deep exfoliate, so it's the moderate level. So you do get some exfoliation, but you're not like getting something grainy, super grainy against your skin. I would say think of this like almost like the salt level. And it's also like really whipped, so which makes it very light and allows you to spread it out very easily. Whereas like some are really thick and clunky, and then some are just like too light, like soap. And yeah, and overall I think it's helped me a lot because it's brightened my skin, really improved the health of it, really improved the level of shave I get, and has been helping me with my laser process. So I definitely recommend this product, and if you have any questions or if you've used this before, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.